Welcome back, Bronco people. We are going to do a quick mod today involving installing a charging pad in your Bronco. So if you ordered your Bronco and you have a base or other Bronco, you did not get the package that includes a charging pad, this is going to take care of that. And from what I've heard, the charging pad that actually comes with the Bronco from the factory does not do a very good job. And this is a 15 watt, I believe. I will put a link to this in the description of the video below so you can find this product. So all you're going to do is drop this down in here. On the other end is just a USB port, and Ford thoughtfully put a USB port right here. So you can plug it right in that. That'll give you power. Just take your excess and you can feed it up here in the top. There's a little crack back here where you can shove your excess wire. Get all that back there out of the way. Make it look a little neat and tidy. I'm not going to get it perfect right now, but you get the idea. So from here you're good to go. You could just put your phone on that and it'll charge. What I did was I actually purchased a set of these. They have different colors and whatever you're into. And this comes as a kit, and they fit in the cup holders up front. They make them, they go in the side doors up top. But this right here, you put that in there, and then you can't even see the charging pad. And I found that my phone still charges through this without a problem. You know, even though this is kind of thick, you'd think maybe it would give a problem, but my phone's been charging through it just fine. The only thing to note here is if you do wireless Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, I think possibly a couple times I've had a problem with it connecting wirelessly. If I put my phone on here right away, it seems like if I just get in the car, let it start up, and I let Android Auto or Apple CarPlay do its thing and connect to the phone, then you plop your phone down and you won't have a problem with the connection. So I'll put a link to these also in the description below. Hope this helps. If it did, please give me a like, thumbs up, and subscribe if you want to see some more videos. I'll keep them coming. Cheers.